Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the DOYEEWO brand men's hydrating skincare kit. This is going to be a 5-piece kit. We're going to open it up, show you all the parts and pieces, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this open, you'll see again the 5-piece set. It is got some instructions for each one. Also comes with a simple thank you card. But this will walk you through kind of, if you're not sure how to use these, what to do. So again, we've got a facial cleanser. And again, this is going to help you remove makeup, dirt, impurities. Simple. And again, instructions are going to be on the back. Eye cream. Anti-aging wrinkle serum. This will be your face moisturizer. And then finally, another facial scrub here, as opposed to a cleanser. So pay attention to all this stuff because they all have different purposes. Directions are again on the back. And here's the important thing. This works as a great gift set for somebody, but most importantly, it's going to help you if you're utilizing this. To try and make sure that you're doing the best you can to take care of yourself. So let's go ahead and kind of walk through some of these. But again, please make sure that you follow your instructions. Again, each one of these, the facial cleanser has instructions, all that stuff that's on the back. That's hard to read. It's a little bit bigger here. Your facial scrub, eye cream, and then your anti-wrinkle serum. Now what I don't see, there we go, is the moisturizer. So you got it all there, so let's go ahead and walk through it.
All right, so we're going to start with the hydrating facial cleanser. So the first thing you want to do is get your face a little bit wet. On these, you're going to probably need to get rid of this little cap. And then what you're going to want to do is put a pea-sized amount, screw this back on just to make it easy to close it back up, pea-sized amount into your hand. And that's probably bigger than a pea size, so just be careful with what you do. And then you're just going to literally just rub it in around the face. And again, this is meant to be a cleanser. So when you're done rubbing it in, just go ahead and rinse your face with some warm water. Next, you'll have the facial scrub, and so this will be the same. Make sure you remove that a little bit. Put a little on your fingers, about a dime sized ideally. And then what you're going to want to do is just kind of rub this in slowly. Now you got to do the whole face, so just rub it in, put a little bit of pressure in there. And when you're done, you're again just going to rinse and then pat dry to make sure you're cleaned up. Next, you have your eye cream. So this one, I don't believe you need to actually remove anything. So you're just going to take little dots, like so, and just putting them under the eyes and rubbing around the eyes. Now, I hope this all is obvious, but just in case, make sure that you aren't getting anything in your eyes, any of these creams or anything like that. And just keep working these in around the eyes until you've got a comfortable position on that. Next, you'll have your anti-wrinkle serum. So what you're going to do is, again, you don't have to remove anything here, but just take a small amount and make sure it works for you. And just apply where you feel it's appropriate, for example, and then you're just going to work it in nice and easy with your fingers. Just kind of popping it in. You don't necessarily need to push too hard, just nice and easy into the spots that you feel need it the most. Neck, stuff like that. You can go anywhere that you really need to, again, avoiding eyes and internal. Finally, you'll have your anti-aging skin and face moisturizer. So you're gonna have to peel off a little piece that's gonna come right into that. And again, you're just gonna shoot out a little bit, not too much. Again, there's not as much as you think. And so you're just gonna, again, work this into your face. You can put it directly on your fingers and then go from there, however you think is best, you know, to kind of save this stuff. And, you know, again, you can just kind of simply work it in nice and easy. And this is a simple care routine. So not everybody ages the same. Not everybody, you know, has the exact same routine. So do what you feel you need to do most. But, you know, to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.